Good evening everyone, I am Srishti from Standard 7 and today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic Inside Our Earth. First of all, I am discuss about the structure of Earth. The Earth divided into various layers. The interior of the Earth composed of solid and semi-solid components with very high densities. The outer layer of the Earth are made up of solid substance that are broken into various states. The earth divided into three different layers: the crust, core and the mantle. First of all, I am discuss about some important points related to the crust. The outermost layer of the earth is called the crust. It is the thickness layer of the earth. Now I am discuss about some important points related to the mantle. The layer beneath of the earth is called the mantle. Mantle are of two types, upper and lower. The upper mantle are made up of solid. The upper mantle are made up of solid substance with temperature 2270 degrees Celsius. The lower mantle are made up of rocks are compact with temperature reaching up to 3700 degrees Celsius. Now I am discuss about some important points related to the core. Core is nearly 6,321 km deep at its center. Core are made up of iron and nickel. Core are of two types: outer core and inner core. Now I am discuss about rock. Rock is a transform from one form to another form in cyclic order called rock. Now I am discuss about some important points related to the rocks. Rocks are aggregates of minerals that are essential for all living beings. Soil is derived from weather rocks, fuels, gems, diamond, and precious stone, etc. derived from rocks. Rocks are used for the construction of road, building, and hundred of other structure. Types of rock. There are three types of rock: igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. Which layer has a radius of about 3,500 km. The core layer has a radius of about 3,500 km. Now I am discuss about how is the interior of the earth structure. The interior of the earth structure are the crust, the mantle, and the core. Now I am discuss about what is the rock cycle. Rock cycle is a process where rocks are recycled and convert one form to another forms through weathering, erosion, melting, and solidification and change of form on account of pressure and heat. Now I am discuss about how is sedimentary rocks are formed. Sedimentary rocks are chemically, originally, and mechanically. Sandstone is a mechanically formed rocks. In this process, the smaller grains are compressed or consolidated to form large rocks. Limestone is a chemically formed of sedimentary rocks that undergoes chemical change. Now I am discuss about extrusive igneous rock and give an example. Extrusive igneous rock: when the magma comes out on a volcanic eruption and it cools down on a earth's surface. For example, basalt, obsidian. Now I am discuss about the difference between magma and lava. Magma is a molten rock. It is stored in the crust. Lava is a molten rock that breaks through the earth's surface. Now I am discuss about difference between Sial and Sima. Sial is the continental crust. Sial is constituted with silica and aluminium. Sima is the oceanic craft. Sima is the constituted with silica and magnesium. Thank you.